What's up, guys, and welcome back to another installment of Motivation 3. I got a few buddies with me. We're gonna take a little ride today, so stay tuned, guys. All right. All right. I got my buddy Blake with me, and got Earl with me. As y'all know, Blake is the one that's on the Victory, and Earl is on a CBR 300, a 2016. Basically, or I'm sorry, it's a 2017. It's basically the same bike that I thought about giving away in my giveaway once it gets started. But he said that I could do a test ride on it, so we may do that sometime today. That might be in a later video. We'll just have to see. But today we're just gonna ride around and have some fun. Earl was asking about some pointers, and I don't know if I'm really the guy to give them to him, but I would teach him anything that I think I know. So, really new to riding. Seems like he's doing alright though. He's keeping it in the lane. Changed gears alright. He got that much down. Showed me a little video last night of him trying to pull dank willies on that 300. He'd get it up, but it's pretty funny. It's hot today, guys. God, it's about 100 degrees. I swear to God it is. But we got some water with us. Last time I didn't carry no water and I was dying. Learn from your mistakes, I reckon. Ooh, that butterfly about hit me. Like I said, I don't know where we're going to ride today. We're just riding. Just enjoying the day. I wonder if there's any fish in that thing. A little retention pond. It's got an aerator on it, so it makes me think there is fish in it. But y'all don't know, I love fishing. I love fishing almost as much as I like motorcycle riding. I think we're gonna go up there and visit an old lake I used to work at. I know for a fact we're probably gonna do that. Other than that, the day's kind of open. I love this little road. Yeah, guys, for those of y'all that don't know, or don't know me at all, I used to manage a conservation lake a little bit down this road right here. It's a beautiful lake. Used to go fishing every day. But lake got in some trouble with some money, some funding, so that basically terminated my job. So no hard feelings. I'm in a better situation now than I ever been. So we're gonna go visit. It's a members lake. We can't go in the lake area, but we can go up there and look at it. And as you can see, guys, I'm dressed for the ride, not the slide today, even though there are some pretty crazy turns on this road that are pretty fun to go through. I forget my boys back there on a 300. I'm sitting here doing like 80 at the end. I'm doing 60 something now. It's probably all that motor's got to keep up. I'll probably slow down a little bit, let him enjoy his ride too. If you've never been to Alabama, man, at least come out here and visit. I mean, we ain't got no tourist attractions or anything like that, but if you just want to see some pretty country, Alabama is beautiful. Hence the name. Alabama is the old Indian word. I mean, beautiful, or land of the beautiful, something like that. Yeah, somebody told me one time they lived up north. They get a little snowfall, which we don't. And I was talking about the mountains here, and he looked at me kind of strange, and he said, "What are you talking about, mountains?" And I pointed at the mountain, and he said, "Son, that ain't no mountain." I said, "Yeah, it is." He said, "No, that's a hill." I was like, "No, it's a mountain. It's so many elevation, so much elevation. It means it's a mountain." He said, "Man, y'all don't have mountains." He said, "Where I'm from, we got mountains." And they just kind of stuck with me. Every time I see these green topped mountains out here in Alabama, I think about what he was telling me, because we don't have snow-peaked mountains and things like that out here. Of course, we don't quite have, if we had the elevation of some of those places, we may have some snow-peaked mountains. Not sure how that really works. I know as it gets taller, it gets colder. And I'm rambling today. Because I don't have no topic, guys. I'm just talking. And it's a curvy little road out here. This is actually Gallant, Alabama. Right out from where I live. Oh, we're getting pretty close to my turnoff up here, where I know I want to look at. I don't think Earl's ever been out here. Actually, I know he hasn't. I asked him if he's ever been on Gallant Road, and he said no. But he's hanging in pretty good. I mean, we're doing 70. And these ain't real aggressive turns, but they can get you in some trouble if you don't know what you're doing. That's a good little fish in the lake right there. Or pond, whatever. This is Conservation Lake Road. I lived out here for about 5 years, maybe a little longer. Like I said, I managed the lake out here. It was horrible. Other than to get to fish every day, I was stuck there from sunrise to sunset. Couldn't leave. Didn't make any money. I owned a little bait shop that day here, but didn't make any money off it either. But it's nice out here, nice and quiet. That's one thing. Even with it being a membership lake, I mean, you didn't have a lot of people coming through. Hence, that's kind of the reason they got in trouble. Them gravel all over the road. Woo! That's a nice little ride.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's been a while since I've been out here.
Yeah. What you think about that road? It's pretty nice, ain't it? I forget you're on a 300, man, and we sitting there, we kind of scooting through there a little bit. I'm like, damn, man, I might want to slow down a little bit. They keep up pretty good, though. 70, 80 miles per hour.
Yeah, around 70. I didn't get no higher than 80.
Yeah.
I really wasn't paying that much attention, but I can tell you it was higher than 70 or 80.
Yeah. We was going there for a little while.
Traction control again?
Huh? Yeah.
I thought you was about to pop up like shit. I'll get on it behind him, and you're like, shit.
Yeah, damn traction control. I'll turn it off when we leave out here. Yeah, 104 surface acre, and I think it's on 400 acres of land. Got Marlin's Point right there, and you got Melvin's Point right there. We used to set trot lines out there for catfish. They put some shad in it. It looked like they fertilized it too. This lake just stays so damn clear. It'd probably be tough to catch them right now.
Right there, it's burning.
Oh yeah, they stay up under here big time. Biggest bass I ever caught in my life was right there off that pier right there. 9.5 pounds right here off this pier. They put Whiteamore, those grass carp in here. Oh, they redid the ramp, it looks like. Part of it anyway. Yeah, they put those grass carp in here and they ate all the grass out of it. And really changed the dynamics of the lake. You used to get in those grass beds out there in the back, man, you could wear big largemouth out. But they just hang around structure now. They don't even care, like this whole that alligator grass on the outsides, they don't even care about that shit. You doing any fishing, buddy?
I've been fishing in years.
Oh yeah?
Last time I fished was 2 years ago in Texas.
Texas. Oh, there's big bass out there in Texas.
Didn't catch none. All we did was sit around and drink.
Oh, well, that's fun too though. Oh, we about went fishing for you. Oh, I hope the camera caught that. God, I hope the camera caught that.
Oh, that would have been funny.
That would have been hilarious.
Wish it wouldn't have been so hot on the ride back.
Oh man, you'd have been chapped though. God damn. Ooh. I can imagine.
As hot as it is, it probably just turned into a swamp about 5 minutes in.
Yeah. You'd be standing. If I fell in that, I'd be standing up the whole way back. Yeah. For real.
Whatever that is over in the middle.
That valve over there. That's the deepest point of the lake right there. It's about 30 foot deep right there. That thing, you take your depth finder out there, it is covered with crappie all around it, but you can't catch them.
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy. It's the wildest shit you ever seen in your life. We throw jigs out there, minnows out there, everything. The only way that we've ever found that you're successful at catching crappie out here is going through right there through the creek channel and trolling like a countdown. I can't get it, man. We even put a little underwater camera down there because I was like, damn, that can't be crappie. Everybody's telling me.
I always wanted to get one of them little radars that look like a big bobber and cast out. Or little,
Yeah, those things are cool, man. You can cast it right there to that damn thing right there, and you can look on your cell phone, and you can see what's.
I always wanted to pick one of them up. When I used to go fishing a bunch, I kept saying I was going, but I never did.
Usually you can see a little bass come up on this ramp right here.
That's why I was wondering if you could see any stacked up around the pilings.
Hey, they probably all up under it right now, but they're probably nosed up on it. Hey, y'all want to see a waterfall?
Sure. Waterfall.
Right over here. I'll show y'all real quick. I know my way around this place. Yeah. All right, man. My trail ain't cut out no more for real, but we can make it. I got long pants on, right? I can't get poison oak or poison ivy, so I don't really ever think about everybody else.
No, I'm good. Shit don't bother me.
Yeah, it don't get me at all. Man, I'm telling you, man. Somebody's been down here. There's some foot slides. Yeah. I just come out here, man. Fish this little hole right here. Pretty good. This is Little Canoe Creek, is what this is right here. Somebody's been out here fishing, a little bobber. Man, I came out here one day with some crickets, and I used all my damn crickets up, and I was like, well, damn, I ain't got nothing else to catch them on. I had pieces of potato in the bottom of the little thing that I was feeding the cricket, and I started pulling the pieces of potato and throwing out there, and I was catching fish on potatoes. Ran out of my potatoes. I had cricket legs in there. I put the leg on there, catch them. Ran out of the legs, and then I had a little gold hook. Throw a little gold hook off in there and catch fish on it. I said, damn, I wasted my damn crickets. I shouldn't even brought none down here. Man, yeah, some of them rigs they got are nothing but like a ball with a piece of chartreuse tubing on the back with a hook on the back. And you fill it halfway full of water, and it keeps it afloat just enough. And you take it and rip it across the top. Man, them ladyfish love that shit. Man, they will. What you think about it? You like nature, man?
Yep.
You ever go camping or anything?
All the time. I hate it now.
You hate it now? God, how you hate camping? Oh, you was in the Army? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can say, you probably hate it, yeah. All right. Bet y'all didn't know y'all was gonna get a outdoor adventure like this today, did you guys? Oh, not busting my ass. I'm weary about little logs like that, man. That's where them copperheads. Well, that's what them copperheads like to damn stay too.
I probably got about 50 pounds on you.
Whew. Alright guys, there's a lake. We're about to head out and get back riding again. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off here. I ain't got much GoPro battery left. So if you ain't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? Subscribe! Anyway, if you don't, you don't. As long as you're watching. Alright guys, till next time. Peace.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.